The release of Deepseek AI from a Chinese company should be a wake-up call for our industries that we need to be laser-focused on competing to win, because we have the greatest scientists in the world. Even Chinese leadership told me that. This is very unusual when you hear a Deepseek, when you hear somebody come up with something. We always have the ideas. We're always first. So I would say that's a positive. That could be very much a positive development. So instead of spending billions and billions, you'll spend less and you'll come up with, hopefully, the same solution. In the very near future, we're going to be placing tariffs on foreign production of computer chips, semiconductors, and pharmaceuticals to return production of these essential goods to the United States of America. They left us and they went to Taiwan, which is about 98% of the chip business, by the way. And we want them to come back.
Did you know that the average American spends over 2 hours a day searching for information online? That's 730 hours a year, time that could be spent building a business, learning a new skill, or just relaxing. But what if there was a way to cut that time in half? Enter Deepseek Chatbot, a revolutionary AI tool that's changing the way we find and process information. Deepseek isn't just another chatbot. It's a powerful AI assistant designed to help you navigate the overwhelming sea of information online. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to stay informed, Deepseek is here to make your life easier. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about research. Imagine you're a college student working on a paper about climate change. Instead of spending hours scrolling through articles, Deepseek can summarize key points, pull up relevant studies, and even suggest credible sources. All in seconds. It's like having a personal research assistant at your fingertips. Deepseek uses advanced natural language processing to understand your questions and provide accurate, concise answers. No more sifting through irrelevant search results or getting lost in clickbait. Now, let's talk about productivity. Running a small business is no easy feat. Between managing emails, tracking expenses, and keeping up with social media, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Deepseek can help streamline your workflow by automating repetitive tasks. With Deepseek, you can focus on what really matters, growing your business. It's like having an extra pair of hands, but without the extra cost. Deepseek isn't just for work, it's for life. Planning a vacation, Deepseek can suggest destinations, find the best deals on flights, and even create a personalized itinerary. It's like having a travel agent in your pocket. From booking restaurants to finding the perfect gift, Deepseek is your go-to assistant for everyday decisions. And let's not forget about accessibility. Deepseek is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for people of all ages to harness the power of AI. Whether you're a digital native or just getting started, Deepseek is here to help. It's not just about convenience, it's about connection. So what makes Deepseek stand out? It's fast, accurate, and incredibly versatile. Whether you're tackling a big project, running a business, or just trying to make life a little easier, Deepseek is the tool you've been waiting for. In a world where time is our most valuable resource, Deepseek is here to help you reclaim it. So why spend hours searching when you can find what you need in seconds? The future of information is here, and it's called Deepseek.